Welcome! In front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the iGPSport application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it, like this. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. You can tap on device, and then tap on your LW10 on the list of devices. Now, find the Unbind button. It's going to be at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, tap on OK. Tap on Unpair on the watch, and the device will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app and wait, and let's see what the watch does. I believe it will reset itself to the factory default settings, but we will find out quite soon. Yeah, it basically reset itself. But once it's done, you will see the list of languages, and now you can pair it with different device or something like that. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.